Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where an external USB mouse doesn't work on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, if it was a wireless computer or a Bluetooth, if it was a wireless or a Bluetooth mouse, then the issue could have been complex. But if it is a wired mouse, if it is connected to the USB and not working, then, well, what can be the issue? However, some mice have an external power source, and make sure that yours does not need an external power source like a battery or something. If it does, then make sure that you've sorted it out. After that, update the USB and mouse drivers. So, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update all the drivers. One is for the mouse, one is for one is for the touchpad, but it is better to update all of them to be on the safer side. So then expand universal serial bus controllers. Right click and update all the USB root hub drivers. Okay, I have many, you have to update all of them. The next one is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Finally, check the mouse hardware, try connecting it to a different device and check if it works. And finally, you can just change the mouse. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.